Welcome back to Infinity Beyond, where we float through the deepest questions of the cosmos, one peaceful thought at a time. Tonight, we don't just travel across the universe. We wonder if there might be more than one. We ask the question, what if our universe isn't the only one? What if reality is far stranger, more layered, and more infinite than we ever imagined? Let's explore the haunting and beautiful idea of the multiverse. We begin with something familiar, our universe. It's vast beyond comprehension. Roughly 13.8 billion years old, filled with over 2 trillion galaxies. It contains space, time, matter, energy, light, dark matter, dark energy, and you. For all our searching, we found no edge, no center, and no duplicate. But what if this universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam? This is the multiverse theory, and it comes in many forms. One idea arises from cosmic inflation. Right after the Big Bang, the universe expanded rapidly, faster than light. Some theories suggest this expansion didn't happen just once, but repeatedly, in different places. Each bubble universe inflated on its own, with its own laws of physics, particles, and dimensions. Imagine it, a universe where gravity is stronger, another where stars burn cold, a reality with no atoms, no time, or one where stars never formed. We wouldn't just be in a vast universe, we'd be in a sea of universes. Most alien, some may be eerily similar. And that leads us to another idea, the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. You've probably heard of Schrödinger's cat, the paradox where a cat in a sealed box is both alive and dead until you observe it. In the many worlds view, both outcomes actually happen in separate branching realities. Every choice, every quantum event splits reality. In one world, you turn left. In another, you turn right. In one, you stay. In another, you go. According to this theory, there are infinite versions of you, each living out different paths. Fascinating, humbling, and impossible to confirm, at least for now. Another version of the multiverse comes from string theory, a mathematical framework that tries to unify gravity with quantum mechanics. It predicts the existence of many possible solutions to the equations describing our universe, each representing a different universe with different dimensions or physical constants. These aren't just philosophical musings, they emerge naturally from our best attempts to understand reality. But here's the twist. We can't see these other universes. They don't interact with ours, at least not in any measurable way. They're beyond our horizon, beyond our tools, perhaps forever unreachable. So why do scientists still consider them? Because the math suggests it. Because the cosmos may be too perfect to be the only one. Because some fine-tuned properties, like the exact strength of gravity or the mass of the electron, seem almost improbably suited for life. In a multiverse, this becomes less mysterious. We're simply in the one where life could happen. The others are silent. It's called the anthropic principle. The idea that we observe a universe compatible with life because we're here to observe it. Still, the multiverse remains one of the most debated ideas in modern science. Some call it a necessary extension of inflation and quantum theory. Others call it untestable, unverifiable, a mathematical ghost story. But regardless of where you stand, the concept touches something deep in us. It invites awe, it asks us to imagine more. So tonight, as you prepare for sleep, imagine this. You are floating in a bubble. Around you, stars swirl, galaxies dance, and light stretches across time. But beyond the bubble's wall, there are others. You can't see them, you can't touch them, but you feel them. They shimmer with other possibilities. You drift slowly between these realities, gently brushing the edge of infinite maybes. In one world, you are listening to this for the first time. In another, you are watching stars rise from oceans. In another, still, your universe has never known light. But here, in this one, you breathe, you wonder, you dream, and that is enough.